2013 Ford Fusion EcoBoost. He's got a upgraded turbo, upgraded stage 2 tune, bunch of stuff done to this car. So what we done on it, factory resonator there, factory converter up there somewhere, there it is. But the resonator is right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back, and we continued it, or actually 2 1/4, sorry guys, 2 1/4 all the way back, and we continued it with more 2 1/4, did a muffler delete on it right there, and did a 4-inch black tip out the back to complete the look. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see right there. So we just did a muffler delete. There's the massive muffler that was on it. It doesn't look like we did much, but that's the muffler that was on it. It's massive. We took it off. That's the tailpipe that was on it. We took it off. Just freshened it up for him. Made it look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. All right, guys, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Ford Fusion EcoBoost 1.6 muffler delete. Yeah, it's not crazy, it's perfect. Get on it. Step on it. That's good. Here's sound decibels again. Got a rev limiter on it again. Right at 85. Yeah, it's clean. The wife will stay happy. She won't be mad. I don't think so. It's not crazy loud or nothing. Let you guys hear it on the inside. I've done his car truck too. Nice. Nothing crazy, just clean. That's what he wanted. That was perfect.